Imagine a world where sophisticated technology and comfort create flourishing innovation and quality. An inspiring and efficient work environment where technology and humanity intertwine to shape the future. Welcome to ELAS, where the future is already in production. We show the way. The machines we distribute are not just tools, they lay the foundations of the future. We ensure the forefront of modern technology and expertise day by day with excellent quality and reliability. We proudly state that ELAS has been providing comprehensive sales, service, and educational services to the electronics and many other industries for over 25 years. Our services go far beyond sales. From production line design to commissioning and maintenance, ELAS's ever-expanding team of experts will help you get your production line up and running smoothly and remain reliable throughout its life. We also provide parts and on-site support for our equipment. ELAS is always available so that you don't have to worry about solving unexpected downtime. We are committed to delivering and nurturing the most advanced knowledge. During our training and further education programs, you and your team can not only update and expand your knowledge of using our high-tech machines, but also stay at the forefront of the latest standards and procedures to tackle future challenges. 2 centers, more than 1,000 machines, more than 500 clients, one common path. This is ELAS, the technological compass since 1999.